All right, WMC, here's the video to find the winner of my bobblehead mystery box number 8. So we'll check the time July 1st at 3:15 p.m. We're going to go over to, let's find the bottom here. We'll go over to the raffle and type live. And we have July 1st at 3:15 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Daniel. Spot 3 is our winner. So, Daniel, you will have the 9th selection of our mystery box. So you'll get to pick one of the last 2. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Or, I'm sorry, this is 8. So you're going to have pick of the last 3. There's our timestamp verification code, July 1st at 3:16 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.